5 expert tips to make your home look expensive on a budget. Welcome to today's video, where I'll show you 5 powerful ways to make your home look luxurious without breaking the bank. My mission is simple: to help you achieve a designer aesthetic at a So if you love budget-friendly decor tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiration. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Mix old and new. A stunning home is all about contrast and personality. Blend vintage pieces with modern decor to create a curated designer look. Think antique lighting paired with sleek furniture or a vintage mirror above a modern console table. The charm of well-loved items breathes life into a space, while modern pieces keep it fresh. For a balanced look, aim for 20% vintage items, like accent furniture or decor from thrift stores or antique shops. Trust me, this mix adds depth and texture that screams high-end. Tip 2. Wall art that pops. Add statement wall art to instantly elevate your interiors. Whether it's a bold modern art piece or a minimalist abstract, the right artwork can define your space. Choose pieces that complement your color palette and add a touch of sophistication. Tip 3. Strategic lighting. Lighting is the jewelry of your home. Layer warm lights, pendant fixtures, and statement lamps to create a cozy yet luxurious ambiance. Pro tip: thrift stores are gold mines for unique and high-quality lighting options. Tip 4. Neutral walls with a twist. Neutral tones are timeless, but why not add a subtle twist? Incorporate accent walls with textured paint, wallpaper, or removable decals for that wow factor. Tip 5. Thoughtful arrangement. Finally, placement is key. Avoid clutter by focusing on purposeful arrangements. Use decor in odd number groupings and vary heights for a professional, balanced touch. These are simple but impactful ways to transform your space into a luxurious haven.